I'm Deb, and welcome to The Canned Cook. From my kitchen, I'll be showing you some of my favorite recipes using canned goods and non-perishable foods that you might find in your pantries and refrigerators. In the midst of this global pandemic, many of you may have stockpiled for days, months, years, and I'd love to share with you some of my favorite and creative ways to use these ingredients that maybe now you just don't know what to do with. I'll start with some of the basics that you should have in your pantry in case you don't already. Avocado oil, I always use this for cooking. We have our canned goods, tuna, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, black beans, corn. I do a lot of dishes with black beans and corn. We got our chicken broth. That's going to be a stock for a lot of the soups that we're going to be making. And always got to have some supplies ready for baking. So your flour, your baking soda, your sugar, and of course, can't forget the spices. We have Johnny's, which is my favorite go-to spice for everything. You can find this one at Costco. They also have some smaller sizes. Other substitutes would be Lowry's. I'm not really a fan of that, but Johnny's if you can find it. Other spices are going to be your garlic salts, garlic powder, basil, crushed red pepper. We're doing this live and we're doing this real. So I'll be trying to conserve and reuse as much as possible, and I'll also be showing you recipes that you can use to reuse the dishes that I will be making. You might see slip-ups and you might see mistakes, but that's all part of cooking. Don't be afraid, just follow along as best as you can. You can find all recipes at thecannedcook.com. Make sure you check back every few days for new recipes. I welcome all feedback and comments, and even maybe some canned foods or non-perishable foods or goods in your fridge that you'd like me to make a recipe for. You can reach me at Deb, D-E-B, at thecannedcook.com. That's D-E-B at thecanned, C-A-N-N-E-D, cook.com. Welcome, and let's start cooking.